Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study chapter 1 building with bricks. Today's topic is workbook page number 9 word problems. Some problems are there that one. I have written the question. You have to see page number 9 from your workbook. See that. 7 number. Complete the following table. Here one table given, you have to complete here. Here you have to write that. Then what is the question is there? Number A, number of bricks. Here how many numbers of bricks are there? That is 1000 number of bricks are there. 1000 bricks cost is 3000 rupees. Do you understand? 1000 bricks cost equal to 3000 rupees. And 500 bricks cost how much will come? That is the question. So first you have to find the one brick. Because here 1000 bricks given, here 1 for 500 means first you have to find one brick. So first what you write the solution? The cost of 1000 bricks is equal to how much? How much is that? That is 300 rupees. 1000 bricks cost equal to 3000 rupees. Here 300 rupees here. Then you find cost of one brick. How you will find? Then you have to divide. If more given, you want less, means you have to divide the number. Then how much will come? 3000 divided by 1000. 3000 divided by 1000, how much will come? 1000 3000. Then how much? Quotient is 3. So it is 3. One brick cost, the cost of one brick is how much? 3 rupees. How much is that? That is 3 rupees. Do you understand now? One brick cost. Okay. Now what he is asking? 500 bricks cost how much will come? So cost of 500 bricks. So one brick given 500 bricks is 1 mean what you will do? You have to find it, multiply it. Rupees 3. You have multiplied this one. So 300, 3 5 15. So how much? 1500 rupees. So you have to write here 1500. Like that way you have to complete the following table. Here is 2000 bricks cost equal to 8000 rupees. Find the 1000 bricks. So 2000 is 800. So here we write 2000 bricks 800 rupees. Then one brick you have to find. One brick means 8000 divided by 2. 2 4 8. So one brick is 4 rupees here. Then how many? 1000 bricks cost how much? So you have to write here 1000 bricks. Then how much will come? 1000 into 4. 4 is one brick cost 4 rupees. Then 1000 bricks cost is equal 4000 rupees. Do you understand? Like that you have to write here 4000. Next, number C. Here 3000 bricks cost equal 9000 rupees. Then find 2000 bricks cost. Then here we write 3000 cost of 3000 bricks is equal 9000. Then cost of one brick is equal 9000 divided by 3000. 3 3 are 9. So how many rupees here? 3 rupees here. One brick cost equal to 3 rupees. Then how much here? 2000 bricks cost how much? Here you have to write 2000 cost of 2000 bricks. So how much will come? 2000 into 3. 2 3 are 6. So 6000 rupees. So 2000 bricks cost equal 6000 rupees. You have to write here 6000. Like that way, number B. 4000 bricks cost equal to how much is that? 4000 bricks 14,000. 14,000. Then one brick cost is equal to how much will come? 14,000 divided by 4,000. Then how much will come? You see, it is not equal to 14,000 divided by 4. Here 14,000 divided by 4,000. 4,000 3 are 12,000. Then how much will come? 2,000. 4. Then it is 3 rupees. It is half is there. Half means it is 50 paise. 3 rupees 50 paise. 3 like this would be 3 rupees 50 paise. Here I write 14,000 by 4,000. 3 0 cut 2 2 is 2 7 is equal 3.5. Okay, 3.5 means it is 3.350. 3.5 7 by 2 rupees means 3.5. 3.5 means 3 rupees 50 paise. Then how many bricks here? 300 bricks. 300 bricks, how much is that? That is 3.50 into 300. 3,000. How much will come? 3 into 3,000. 250 here. How much came? 700, 700, 75, 35, 53, 7 7 plus 3, 10. 10,500. 10,500. 3 0 0, 3 5 55, 3 0 9 plus 1, 10. 2 0 7. So 10,500. Okay? This one. Next 5,000. You have to do this one. Easy. That one here you write 5,000. Here you write 20,000. Then 1 brick is equal 20,000 divided by 5,000 equal to 4 rupees. 5,024 rupees. Then it is how much will come? 4,000 bricks. 4,000 means 4,000 into 4. How much will come? 4 4 16,000 rupees. So you have to write it 16,000. Here how much? 10,500. Like this one you have to complete the table. Next, question number 8. Here the question number 8 is given. See, observe the following table and answer the given questions. Here questions are there. I have written only one question. Here there you have to do this. How to do? See, cost of bricks per 1,000. The 1,000 bricks 12,000 rupees. 1,000 bricks cost 12,000 rupees in Uttar Pradesh. And 1,000 bricks 18,000 rupees, that is Haryana. And 1,000 bricks cost 20,000 rupees, that is in Uttarakhand. Then 1,000 bricks cost equal to 25,000. Then Delhi, that is Delhi. Okay, these are the cost of bricks per 1,000 in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Uttarakhand and Delhi. Now here question number 8 given. If a person wants to buy 3,000 bricks from Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand means this one. Uttarakhand how many are there? That is 20,000 bricks are there. 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees are there. So 3,000 bricks we want. It is 1,000 bricks. 1,000 bricks cost equal 20,000. Uttarakhand wants 3,000 bricks from Uttarakhand. Then how much he has to pay for it? Then he wants that one person wants to buy 3,000 bricks from Uttarakhand. Then how much money can you pay? Then what you will do? How do you write down that cost of 1,000 bricks? Cost of 1,000 bricks in Uttarakhand. How much is that? That is how much? It is 20,000. That is rupees 20,000. That is the cost of 1,000 bricks. Then we want 3,000. But what you do? First you have to find the 1 brick cost. Cost of 1 brick. How much will come? Last number, how you have done? More given, less you want to, you have to divide. Then 20,000 divided by how much? 1,000 bricks, that is. Then how much will come? It is 1,000 20 20,000 20 rupees. Then 20 rupees. 20 rupees for 1 brick cost. Cost of 1 brick equal to how much here? That is 20 rupees. Then how many bricks he has to pay? How many bricks he wants? He wants 3,000. So cost of 3,000 bricks. What you will do? 1 given, more you want to have to multiply 3,000 into 20. Then what you multiply over 20 0 0 20 0 0 20 0 0 23 is 60. So 60,000 rupees. Therefore you have to write that. Therefore he has to pay 16,000 rupees for 300 to buy 300 bricks. Okay, like this way you have to do. Okay, do you understand now? Remaining numbers you have to do yourself. Okay, this much for today. Next class we will study some more numbers. Thank you.